etiefo nsɛm na officially Stonebwoy eden krata ababonten a Stonebwoy pesa Ghana foni ehu sɛ sisi a wone Kelvin Boy wo mu ni hobium nti no Kelvin Boy tese yempese yebehu sɛ bi matare kra no wo hyebium anse ne beto aso no subscribe na click notification bell no eno ene da screen so sisi a wo ye ne sa latest news bi aba won sa ebeka megidi sɛ mu ne amu ehu viral video a ekoso of Kelvin Boy wo performing Italy a wakoto ye catch and crofo se womo osre womo empa Stonebwoy chow emano up to now nkrofo bebre elim dear Kelvin Boy what dey Stonebwoy pote but for I have first hand information na etre se Kelvin Boy dear what dey Stonebwoy no na tre se Kelvin Boy ni obi di nkomo se den e na tre se Kelvin Boy didi Stonebwoy attempt poto say na recording na nipa kono so record e na yekobo tre Stonebwoy na Stonebwoy tie no say it's a branch ye de maye oni na echi no ufe echi a say na ya oka me ho asem say audio ne de menya bi ntie ye but information na menya and say Stonebwoy insa eka audio no of Kelvin Boy o didi na say Kelvin Boy didi Stonebwoy atembo emra Stonebwoy enye ne hwe o emra Stonebwoy enye ne hwe wo didi na tem ena Stonebwoy ka say well me de metumi aya aboa no ma ya aboa na se metumi aboa na afei wo kwa abonten nsɛmwe ena wo kafa me ho de a ende ejuma mitumi ene wo enye biom it is Stonebwoy eden krata aba abonten sisi a me ne wo ka say sisi a me ye video is Stonebwoy posted this just 40 minutes ago na wo hwa caption na wo de aboso a wo say issued in public interest na say yes what the krata we babonten na say amansan ni na ehu de koso was say for immediate release updates of development and an update on development at Benetton Music Group. Now, was say as announced by the Chief Executive Officer of Benetton Music Group Limited during recent media engagement, the company has recently been in the process of auditing its relationship with the officers and associated acts for the purpose of reorganizing its internal structures. The audit process has been completed today, and the purpose of the release is to update BIM natives and the general public on its conclusion. That is a Nancy Stonebwoy oko Hit FM. And I want to just say yes, I am the in Sembi Air Koso Ewo a Benetton Music Group limu. Benetton Music Group no a Stonebwoy dia one no CEO or no so president. Was here and the in Sembi Air Koso wo na vomo auditing and the ebisa is a Stonebwoy na Kelvin Boy no waka wo still ana and say as a time I walk as there still Kelvin Boy is under Benetton Music Group but in some be koso auditing be koso investigations be koso na wo mu wi a wo den sem ebaba beto abonten na Ghana for ye nia yehu decision a group no and a Benetton Music Group no wo mo take nti no any krata what they about now opening paragraph no and no nsema wakan say okọ radio so nsema wakokan no afei imbre edu na wo hwe subtitle a watro Kelvin Boy kese ebo ho na kire say nsema wobeken efa Kelvin Boy ho na yatin nsem na siye o say Mr. Kelvin Brown, also known as Kelvin Boy, and the company entered into an agreement dated January 22nd 2018, which to a large extent governed the relationship between both parties. And only the agreement, no. Now, was it the agreement had an initial term of 1 year and provided the company with an option to extend the tenure for a further period of 4 years. The worker ever has said officially Kelvin Boy yes signing into Benetton Music Group on January 22nd last year. Now agreement they say yeah my Kelvin Boy 1 year after 1 year what to me proving the whole number who say okay Kelvin Boy was better than a top musician now. Yeah be my option say okay yes also man another 4 years contract extension. And within that 1 year no ye who the Stonebwoy wa yeah what the boy Kelvin Boy one in the bo shows one in the co shows so o magana phone ya be who Stonebwoy one in the what you say Stonebwoy boy Kelvin Boy a pejano. In fact Kelvin Boy the first ever international show. It was Reggae Summerfest. And no Stone Boy and the Pejana were then the core. A very big show. Kelvin Boy was called boy ewo. Inti wo bia wo nim Kelvin Boy bia nim say Stone Boy na aboa no ama Kelvin Boy said we better than Kelvin Boy. Yes, onyankopon e ka ho but ye ka nipa femu dia Stone Boy e na aboa no. Inti Stone Boy e tre say ye ma Kelvin Boy 1 year. Now within that 1 year no esun ye January na ye ntia now we no was say the company did not trigger the option. Not as an option now. Yeah, can say after 1 year, yes, I'm man 4 years no. Company no and trigger that option. I say accordingly, the contract extension period under the agreement did not take effect after the agreement expired on January 21st, 2019. I say yes, we share 1 year yedema Kelvin Boy. It was from January 22nd, 2018 into after January 22nd, 2019 there, ne ose Kelvin Boy will to me understand. Into ye can embremu pan there. So that time no na Kelvin Boy wa hate and na still was share under a year Benetton Music Group no. But one more and trigger a year the 4 years when one who say okay, still one share yase na ye no enye juma. What yase. Was say the above notwithstanding, the company has continued to work with Kelvin Boy until now. Under the terms of the agreement, following the audit, the company has considered the expired status of the agreement as well as the conduct of Kelvin Boy during its tenure. And that's why I say, yes, it's here there. We must share nyamemu ehu eye Kelvin Boy sabi ni suban ene ne nyame bia na wo ye under eye Stone Boy no. Na what just was say and has decided not to trigger the option. Consequently, the company has decided to release Kelvin Boy from the agreement, and he has been duly notified of this decision accordingly. Kelvin Boy ceases to be an artist under the company and will no longer be associated with the company and the Beam Nation brand. We wish him success in his future endeavors. Signed, Benetton Music Group Limited. Naturally, was this here there? Beam Nation. One money Kelvin Boy any kakabia biom. Just say Sisiano Kelvin Boy no ye ni hwe na Kelvin Boy na nkasa no wonim because ye din kan atre no say Sisiano ye ntumi ene wo enye adwuma biom. Na etie for enkrofo kan say jamara no tia na Kelvin Boy afi wa ba bonten patcho say Stone Boy infan channel because Stone Boy edin kan aka atre no say ye ni wo ni hwe biom. Going to me no enye juma bia biom no. To me no asem way enye me de because I don't know but I just liked how Kelvin Boy was. Meaning I didn't know what was going on internally. But senya na Kelvin Boy, Stone Boy, no now what under Stone Boy no. I just liked how everything was going. Intino Kelvin Boy patch no na me ka say Stone Boy mesre o de Kelvin Boy aye bia no. One fa enche no but eno na ye te say the Kelvin Boy eye no wonechi audio Stone Boy no wo kra what no say Ghana for Stone Boy tremu a na nka de mo de be Kelvin Boy kana kenye bini but Stone Boy wa sheda na one person wo be boss audios no atre Ghana for na say Kelvin Boy wonam Stone Boy echi na tre say wo say ni din ema amanfo wo didi na tem but obegina Stone Boy enima na wa sheda ye ne ho say ahomrase ni bi na tre say Stone Boy boa no inti no wo bi record ye na ne ba ko no esenima Stone Boy na Stone Boy hu say hey so nipa da se ni a meboa no say na wo de ye mi wo mechi na no so de mesre ye ni aye ye nipa o bu obi na wo ko hu say nipa ko no say wudi ya na wo di waten wa bonti am you sure say still wo be boa nipa kro no ati ase into no and on sema and into wo hwe nsema ngrofo kan wo bi say boy easy he has apologized so find a place within your heart and give and forgive him and only asema wo bi aka say Kelvin Boy Stone Boy Esrel Kelvin Boy apacho obi also say I am very disappointed in this development but what I can boldly say is that with or without Beam Nation Kelvin Boy will still make it big. Kelvin Boy is arrogant, yes, but the love I have for his craft is natural. I'm heartbroken. when I heard the news. Means me you be a me Kelvin Boy in the fan pint. Me tia asem you know. Na eye me ya. But do I think that Kelvin Boy's career will end or Kelvin Boy will shoot up? Personally, I think Kelvin Boy is now about to shoot up. We will be a wuji spiritual matters there. When him say, "Eto de bia ensembi esiseya eno enasebi emma ni patrono the career ekosoro." Intino for me, I think Kelvin Boy afiansa wasan beye kese pa na in the future no wo beye kese a woni Stone Boy ebebom biom. Nye se ebia woni Stone Boy ebebom se wo be sign and Stone Boy no record label dabi. One ba record label ni so biom but woni no be fine. So we will be a winning Ghanaian entertainment industry more. And Brother Stone Boy share Samini Aseno. The same thing happened. Kasa bae, and a Stone Boy free Samini camp. And a Stone Boy, it is after a Stone Boy free Samini Aseno. Satan a Stone Boy be big. Na Stone Boy be big way and after on Samini be boom. Matias here. This is something like the same thing. I could say the same thing in a AC. For me, no. I feel a bit more cast the Kelvin Boy in the career be ended. I feel Kelvin Boy in the career ended. Yes, maybe it could be because I love Kelvin Boy and I me pen in Jamaican America Sasa. But I just have this strong feeling that Kelvin Boy, this will actually not end his career. He's now about to shoot up. Ghana for who say Kelvin Boy will shoot up. The advice I'll give to Kelvin Boy and say yes, nipa inform so wa yeho. Ebia we could dibone and a Stone Boy why then we you man and a Stone Boy wasa kill. Na Kelvin Boy konyankopon wenim na sre Boniface waba bonten abesre Stone Boy Boniface wan fa nche wa enye hwe ko nkotodwe anim na sre Boniface efi nyankopon ho na katre nyankopon se won boa wo na megidi se nyankopon bebem na wo bia wo beba beboa bia ma Kelvin Boy wabedane the big star I personally want you to be, then you become that. Munche mwadwe comment box mwetie for medase.